So because of AAC today, a lot of young people who otherwise can't even afford to buy form to run in primaries, because in most political parties you have to buy forms to run in primaries, and after you have won your primaries, you still have to buy another 50 million naira form as a candidate. So before you even become a candidate as a councillor in, say, APC or ADC, even the Labour Party, when they used to, you must have spent over 50 million. In AAC, even if you are poor, you have no problem. If you have, like, look at our senator here. Rock is so is both a cameraman and an aspiring senator. So, on a serious note, that's what the party is about. The party is an ideological party, it's a revolutionary party, and we make no bones about how soft you need to be. So, my position, just to address your question, is that if you are still dilly-dallying, if you don't know where you stand by now, we don't need your sympathy. If you don't know where you stand, whether you want to be with Obi or Atiku, or you want to be with Tinubu, or you want to be with Babasha Lawa, you want to be with Malami, you are already behind as far as we are concerned, because elections are less than a year away. So, but I understand the reason why some of them feel the way. They have been, it's what they call stages of grief. There's no opposition here.